In an inspiring display of community solidarity and humanity, the indigenous Tripuri Diaspora residing in Chennai has stepped forward to save a young life. United under the banner of Tripura People Foundation, members of the community have taken to the streets of Chennai, launching a tireless fundraising drive to support Sanjana Debbarma, who is currently fighting for her life against cancer.
Rupees now put ready this cat tak boleh bayar buat. Bayar ke hamak memang buat ini dollar bayar jatuh nak lakukan ini.
Far away from their homeland in northeast India, Tripuri youth, students and professionals working in Chennai spend their day visiting crowded marketplaces, local shops and popular restaurants to appeal for financial help. Armed with donation boxes and posters detailing Sanjana's medical battle, volunteers reach out to both the local Tamil public and business owners, receiving a warm and empathetic response. The fund collection drive aims to cover the soaring medical expenses of Sanjana, a resident of Khas Kalyanpur Suvananda village in Tripura, who has been battling the life-threatening disease for the past several months.
Cancer patient
Hai cậu từ hay
Thank you. Ara next
can't say that.
Cancer patient.
Happy.
Cancer patient. Cancer patient. Donation body. Thank you.
Rupees now put ready this cat tak boleh bayar buat. Bayar ke hamak memang buat ini dollar bayar jatuh nak lakukan ini. Ai pun jadi betul. Hen ke zaman mana ni tak?
Oh, boleh start kena sekarang.
Kau boleh start kena, saya malu.
Martin mau je cuk mani se like to like kata kata nama boleh. Tapi yang thalang sada.
Kata mak kalau
Yang
sana.
orang nismi start kiri. Oh cado kan nismi.
Azam.
Hindi.
Gan. Hede.
Untay di. Untay di. Napakahay na hay ang kalay kasem.
The initiative in Chennai is part of growing multi-state collective efforts led by community organizations like the Tripura People Foundation. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.